Good morning and welcome back to the Gluten Free Guru channel. My name is Tanya and this morning we will be making crepes. So this recipe is pretty simple. You just kind of got to remember 3, 2, 1, 3 eggs, 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of flour. We also have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of white sugar, and butter just to coat the pan. So start with your eggs. Whisk that up. Our gluten-free flour is Bob's Red Mill 1-to-1 baking flour. It has the best taste for crepes and it's the one I recommend. So I just put in a 1/2 cup. I'm gonna whisk it and then add the other 1/2 cup. Now I'm also going to add my teaspoon of sugar. And my teaspoon of vanilla extract. I recommend pure vanilla extract just because the artificial one has kind of a chemical-y taste. Once all the chunks are out, you can heat up your pan and coat it with a thin layer of butter. You don't need a lot. So before you add your batter to the pans, you want to look for little bubbles showing that the butter is actually heated up. So we're going to wait for that. In the meantime, get a plate ready, and that way you can flip your crepes right onto there. Right, it's okay if it looks a little watery. I find that with gluten-free flour, it doesn't thicken up as much, but once you start cooking it, it will. So our pan just started bubbling, so I'm going to add a ladle of batter to it. If it ends up being too watery, you'll start to see it separate in the middle, and then you can just add an extra tablespoon or 2 of flour. So don't add so much to fill up the pan because you want to ring it around so that way it stays very thin. Our pan could have been a little hotter. I feel like the first one is always a tester anyway. Just keep doing this until the batter starts, well, I guess stops moving. Looks like it's almost done. That. Once you have your first batch of crepes on, be sure to lower the heat to a low medium about. Right, so a way to tell when they're ready to be flipped is if they easily move around in the pan. This one probably needs another couple seconds. Uno. I highly recommend getting 2 pans going at the same time. That way it'll be done twice as fast. Once you're done, roll them with your favorite toppings. Here's one. And now, because I like sugar, I'm just gonna top them off with table syrup. And voila! Bon appetit! Delicious breakfast. Thank you for watching the Gluten Free Guru. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make crepes. If you liked it and want to see more, please like this video and subscribe. Thank you.